In this video, we're going to take a look at an application called Screencastify. So this helps anybody who does not have an Apple product, but they still want to do their screen recording videos. So what we're going to want to do is we have to use Google Chrome. So I've got Google Chrome open, and I'm going to Google search Screencastify. All right. And then from here, we can click the very first link. And then we're going to want to add it to Chrome. So that's why it's really important that we're using this in Google Chrome. So we're going to add to Chrome, and it's going to open up another window so that we can add it to Chrome. Now, I already added it to one of my Chrome windows because my internet was just super slow today. So we're going to open up my other window that has a notification here. So if we see here, this is the symbol for Screencastify, and it is in my extension bar. Another quick trick is that this little puzzle piece pins and unpins different extensions that you have so that they can show up or not show up in your menu here. So I'm going to click on Screencastify, and this is actually the first time I've used it, so I have to set it up. So I'm going to have to sign in with Google, and then it's going to say sign in with your Gmail. And you want to click the correct account that you want it to use. So here's my school account, so I'm going to click on that one. And we just want to allow. This way, any videos that you create are going to be automatically put into your Google Drive. And it's just finishing setting up. And we want to set the permissions. So of course, we're making videos. We want to allow the camera and the microphone to be on. So we want to say next. And we're going to allow this to happen. And we're going to see a notification here, and we're going to also say allow. All right. And it's asking to introduce yourself. For yourself, you can say you're a student. I'm an educator, so I'll put that in here. What education level? I've been in university. And it looks like we are about all done. All right. So from here, it's giving you a quick little overview of how to get started. So you could watch a little video, how to make your first video, and other tips that they provided. So what we want now is it says to click the icon in your toolbar to get started. So we can click on here. And now with this free account, we have a limit of only 5 minutes per video. So if you have to record something that's a little bit longer, you could create more than one video. And it allows for different options. So we could have it do a desktop, you could just do a certain browser, it could just be you in the video, and of course, because you're probably talking in your video, you want to put your microphone on, and we can embed or not embed the camera. So when we put embed the camera, it allows us to actually have our face in the screen on the side to allow you to do that. So we could record a video now, and you can see now that I'm on the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to show my entire window that I'm at. And I'm going to say share. And now I'm going to start recording my video. We can see the timer just went off. Here's my video I'm getting started. It really helps if we use sometimes Google Slides so that we can have like images to go with our actual talking. And then we could just use some of their tools here too. It seems like you can add a pen, you can use an eraser. And then once you're done with your video, we could click to, I believe we can click back onto here on the icon. And it's now I want to stop. So here I've stopped my video. And then now we can start to save some details. You probably want to give it a name. So here I can rename it on the top. So this could be test. Okay, and then my video starts to play. And then what we could do is we could see that it's saving to the drive. We can get a shareable link, so we can share this to your teachers, your classmates, etc. You could share it to Google Classrooms, or if you want to, you could publish it to YouTube, or you could just download it to your computer as well. So there's just lots of different options that we can do. And of course, if you don't want this video, you don't like it, you can delete it. So this is just a quick little overview of this application called Screencastify for anyone who is a non-Apple user. Or if you are an Apple user and you just want to use it as well, it's totally okay. All right, hope that was helpful.